DIYs, put the waste in as you go. I always use mud. Some people say, oh, I use glue. Nah, glue sinks, mud doesn't. Push it in. Try not to let any fall down your pipe. Because I always use bagged mud, I've always got half a bag hanging around that I can just mix up. Don't hum, sing or anything, Chriso, or get done for copyright. And I'll lose my video. That's sort of the way it's going. And it's time I bought another sponge or two. It's time I did. Because I use these for blocking holes up and all sorts. Okay. Bang your waste in there, Charlie. Nice. And there you have it. Done, finished. Tomorrow morning when I walk on that, it's as hard as a rock, done and dusted. I won't roll my ankle on it or anything like that and bang me bloody head. It's good to go. Right, I'll carry on with this floor. Throw that out in the rubbish. We'll see you soon. Subscribe. This is just the beginning.